So what is JMRI? JMRI is Java Model Railroad Interface, also referred to as Decoder Pro. I sort of use the terms interchangeably. So here's a quick rundown of my setup, what I use to program. So there's the main page of Decoder Pro, what it would look like after it launches. So this is where you're going to do all your programming. But for my particular setup, I decided to put things in a project box. I got my project box from Michaels. I didn't pay near that much. I got it one of their discount deals, 50% off or something. I got a box simply because of all the electronics that were involved. I wanted to make it look neat. So my setup consists of this Sprague 2 interface. This goes between the computer and your track. I forget how much I paid for it. They have new releases, of course, and there are other manufacturers who make similar devices. This is what I use for a majority of the programming. I also had to go ahead and purchase an ESU programmer. Reason being, their software is proprietary, meaning that the sounds and sound files that go to their decoders can only be updated through their programmer. So you're kind of forced, if you want to play with ESU, you're forced to buy their programmer. So again, Sprague for anything non-ESU, and then the ESU programmer for ESU products, if that makes sense. So here's the completed project box. I had to modify it perhaps a little bit. You can see inside here all the electronics, the power bar, all that stuff. So it had to be modified just a little bit, the box, just to accommodate the wires. So when you launch JMRI, after I've done the installation of all the software and the drivers, it's real simple. I just click on New Locomotive. It'll find what decoder it is automatically. So this particular locomotive's already been programmed to 4552, which is what I want. So real simple. I'm just going to enter in the roster ID, what I want to call it in my roster. Grand Trunk 4552, and I'll hit write. Give it a little bit just to again send all those signals down to the track, to the engine. Bit of a problem here, no locomotive detected. I think it's just dirty track. Anyways, if you want to see what the changes are, what you've done, or what the information is already on the decoder, just hit read decoder. It'll tell you all the information that's already on the decoder, from speed tables to the current address. So there it is. It's in my roster now. I can just test the locomotive now right at the computer, bringing up a throttle, seeing if it works, and success. Well, as I said, dirty track. Move that out of the way. Yeah, it works. No problem. Gonna try reverse now on the lights. And reverse. And success. The lights though, they're not too bright. Anyways, that's a quick rundown of JMRI and how I use it. Programming is so much simpler using JMRI, just simply for the graphic interface. Anyways, that's everything. Talk to you later. Bye.